So Jason and I are in a 2024 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X, and for today we're going to call it the Snow4x, and we want to do some tips and tricks about four-wheel drive. So Jason, when you're switching from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive high,
so on these guys you can do it on the fly. So as you're driving, as long as you're under 50 and you're in the right conditions, go ahead and pop on over to four-wheel drive. It'll kick in and it'll maintain that traction that you're looking for.
Up to 50 miles an hour you can switch, but Jason and I both, I'm sure you'll agree with me, we recommend, if you're needing four-wheel drive, probably don't recommend driving at highway speeds.
No, if you're going that fast, you probably don't need it.
And four-wheel drive low. If you were climbing up out of a boat ramp or trying to get unstuck in the snow, to go to four-wheel drive low, Jason, if you want to show them that real quick.
So you're going to have to come to a complete stop for the four-wheel drive low. You want to be on as level as the ground as possible. You're going to push that bad boy in and twist it. You're going to wait until your indicator is good to go.
And you have to complete stop, put it in either park or neutral, is that right?
Put it in neutral, and then it'll even activate your off-road driving mode on your camera system, which is pretty cool in the Pro 4X. I know this guy's going to creep along, and you're not going to get much speed out of it, but you're getting maximum torque and maximum traction. Again,
you don't want to drive over about 4 or 5 miles an hour and four-wheel drive low.
Pretty slow, just creeping along.
Now, because this one's a Pro 4X, it does have the locking rear differential that only works in four-wheel drive low.
Correct. That will give you additional traction and make sure that those rear tires are in synchronization and aren't spinning at all.
And then to put it back in two-wheel drive, come to a complete stop again, put it in neutral.
That'd be four-wheel high, and if you wanted to put it back in two-wheel drive, you can do that, but you can also go from four-wheel high to two-wheel drive on the fly.
And that is our tips and tricks for four-wheel drive.